Hi friends, it's Agatha and I'm a professional trader. I've been trading for over 7 years. By the way, I regularly hold open trading sessions on my Telegram channel, where my followers can see all my trades and entry points. So to keep up with me, click the link in the description. Speaking of which, today's video is going to be awesome. I'll share my top 3 investment methods with my lovely audience. So, method number 1, trading. Let's not beat around the bush. This is my favorite way to invest my savings. I think the smartest way to show you is to just dive in. So, I have my platform set to standard settings. Okay, here we have 35. Trade time frame 1 minute. Today's indicators are super trend and zigzag. We will make the super trend line thicker and set the period to 5. For zigzag, we will change the depth parameter to 5 and set the line color to light green. Assets I'll be trading 2 currency pairs and 2 stocks. Great! Now we are all set. Camera, action, let's go! Let's see what we have here. So, everything points to an uptrend. Let's test it out. Why? There are 2 reasons. First, the bullish candles look stronger than the bearish ones. Second, the green super trend line indicates the bulls. Buyers are dominating. So it's logical that the trend will continue upward. And there you have it. When I just started out in investing, I naturally wanted my first experiences to be as risk-free as possible. Since trading requires at least some basic theoretical knowledge from the beginning, I decided to create my Telegram channel. I support beginner and advanced traders in it, now over 18,000 strong. I share my 7 years of experience, review trades with subscribers, and explain theories and give advice. I even share how I achieved an 89% win rate. Okay. Moving on, here we see that the zigzag indicator has marked a peak. A large red candle confirmed that the bears have taken over, signaling a trend reversal. So, a downward movement makes perfect sense. Let's switch to Facebook. Looking at the chart, Facebook is on the rise. Fingers crossed. So, here's why I think so. The green candles are pushing up to the previous high, and judging by the candles, it looks like the resistance line is going to break. And just a reminder, in this market, we benefit from the price movement direction, not from the difference between buying and selling prices like in traditional investing. Here we increase the deposit if the direction of asset movement is correctly chosen. Why am I smiling? Because why not? I worked hard and learned a lot, and now I'm reaping the rewards. Investment option number 2, buying digital currency. Yes, it's true. If you look at the charts of different digital currencies, you will see they've shown some crazy growth historically. But predicting if this will happen again is really tough. Plus, they aren't backed by anything, unlike government currencies that we use to buy groceries. When I work with assets backed by something real, I can be confident that any drop is temporary, and I can predict their movement with technical analysis. For safe trading education, subscribe to my Telegram and get a solid theoretical foundation, strategy breakdowns with the most effective indicators. And most importantly, follow my moves in live sessions. You and other subscribers can copy my trades. Together, we make up to 550 per session. The greatest part is seeing people achieve their goals, helping their parents, buying dream cars, or the coolest gadgets. Want to do the same? Join my Telegram channel. It's free for now. Link is here under the video or in the first pinned comment. Okay, there is one more method, number 3, buying stocks. It seems like one of the most popular options, but let's be honest, it's a bit outdated. Moreover, it brings good returns in two cases: if you take a large amount and buy many shares of a company that pays regular dividends, or if you got lucky and bought shares at a very low price, and they've grown over time. Stocks are a good option for those with a significant amount of capital and the patience to wait. But with an insignificant capital, it's unlikely you will see substantial results. Seriously, maybe I like trading so much because I'm good at it, but just look. For example, trade 4. Next up, we have Intel. I'm looking at the chart and going short. Here is an interesting situation. The candle hit the support level but didn't bounce back up, so it's likely the next candles will drop below the support level until the next one appears. Well, it went just as expected. Here I know what to do. I don't wait for weeks, months, or years for my investments to pay off. The first trade is done, and I'm up to 445. Moving on. Alright, we've been here before. Everything indicates that the asset will go down. Why did I make this choice? Let me explain. The red super trend line frequently points down. Plus, the green candles are quite small. Therefore, the downward movement should continue. Well done, Agatha, well done. And you avoid the wild volatility of those trendy digital currencies. This market feels way safer, if you ask me. Okay, and here we are with Facebook again. And it's going up again. What's the magic? The green super trend line is heading up. The bullish candles are maintaining their intensity. And Zigzag hasn't identified a peak. So the upward movement continues. Another successful forecast. That's because I rely on technical analysis, not horoscopes or guesswork. Moving on, and here I see that in the near future we should expect a drop. The asset is reaching a peak, and after some very strong green candles, the trend is reversing. It looks like the buyers have run out of steam. Both indicators confirm this. And by the way, notice that I don't invest the entire amount at once. Why would I? I don't like trading big risks. Let's wrap up our session with one final trade for today. Opening the Intel chart, and I see, unlike Facebook, it's heading down. It looks like the candles are trying to reach the previous resistance level but are getting pushed back halfway. I think the drop will continue throughout my trade, which is within a minute. Come on! Yes! Phew, the final session was intense, but the most important thing is I got the direction right. And today I reached 3,317. Remember where I started? I think there is no doubt that trading is the most effective investment method. So how long did that take? Just a few minutes. Wanna do the same? Everyone has a great opportunity to follow our trading success with my followers. Just join our Telegram channel, follow my live sessions and get the same results. Simply trade based on my entry points, which I'll send to the Telegram channel. And it's so cool that every day people are making over 400 and constantly sending me thank you messages like this. The link is in the description under the video or in the first pinned comment. That's all. See you on my channel. Bye-bye.